Here we go, they're going off. Flood watch. They're going off now, let's go. Yo, let's go. Flood watch.
Flood watch in effect from Sunday
Finally.
through late Sunday night. What? Flooding caused by excessive rainfall.
Now we got it.
Where? Portions of southern Connecticut, including the
Finally,
areas,
dude.
northern Fairfield, northern Middlesex, northern New Haven, northern
Got
New
a
London,
flood watch.
southern
Let's
Fairfield,
go.
southern Middlesex, southern New Haven, and southern New London.
Yeah,
Northeastern
baby,
New Jersey,
let's
including
go.
the following areas: eastern Bergen, eastern
Woo.
Essex, eastern Passaic, eastern Union, Hudson, western Bergen, western
Yeah.
Essex, western Passaic, and western Union. In southeast New York, including the following areas: Brooklyn, Manhattan, northern Nassau,
Yeah,
northern
let's
Queens,
go.
northern Westchester, northwest Suffolk, Orange, Putnam, Staten
We
Island,
got a flood
Rockland, southern
watch.
Nassau, southern Queens,
Yeah.
southern Westchester, and southwest Suffolk. When? From Sunday afternoon through late Sunday night. Impacts: excessive runoff may
Yeah,
result
baby,
in flooding
let's
of rivers,
go.
creeks, streams, and other
We
low-lying
got
and
a
flood-prone
flood
locations.
watch.
Flooding may occur in poor drainage and urban areas.
Yeah, baby.
Additional details: around 2 inches of rainfall is likely, with locally higher amounts in excess of 3 inches possible. http://www.weather.gov/
Flood watch on my new weather radios.
Flood you should monitor later forecasts and be
Yeah.
alert for possible flood warnings. Those living in areas prone to flooding
Yeah,
should be prepared to
let's
take
go.
action should flooding develop.
Awesome.
Here is the official National Weather Service forecast for the New York City metropolitan area. This afternoon, partly sunny. Highs in the upper 40s. Southeast winds around 5 miles per hour. Tonight, partly cloudy in the evening, then becoming mostly cloudy. Lows in the lower 40s. Southeast winds around 5 miles per hour. Saturday, mostly cloudy. Highs in the lower 50s. East winds around 5 miles per
let's
hour,
go.
becoming
That's
south in the
okay.
afternoon. Saturday night, mostly cloudy. A slight chance of showers after midnight.
Finally, we got a flood
Lows in the
watch.
lower 40s.